Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add Claude Tag in Slack. So let's get started. First of all, you gotta make sure that you sign into your Slack account, and then you gotta go to Google and search for Claude in Slack, and you gotta click on this one that says Claude and Slack integration, Slack Marketplace. So once you do click on that, you'll be able to see your workspace along with .slack.com. This will happen itself. You just need to log into your Slack in order for it to pick it. So once you're here, you're going to scroll down and you'll be able to see a button that says Add to Slack. So simply click on this button and you'll be redirected to Claude Tag. So just wait for this page to get loaded. Over here, you'll be able to see a button that says Add to Slack. Click on that. Next, they will ask you to allow, so simply click on allow. You can also review all of the permissions before doing so. And now it says Claude is installed. You gotta close this window, return to Slack, find Claude in the app section of your sidebar, and click on Claude to start chatting. So you're gonna head over to Slack and it will immediately refresh. So just wait for it to be refreshed right in front of you. And over here, you'll be able to see a workspace. So you're gonna scroll to the bottom and under agents and apps, you'll be able to see Claude. So simply click on Claude and you can start chatting with Claude right over here. So you can ask Claude anything directly from here, or you can also just open any of the channel if you want to do so. So for example, if you come here in first project, you can call Claude from here as well. So all you need to do is simply type in @ and you'll be able to see Claude agent over here. So you're going to click on it and then you can type in anything you want to do so and Claude will respond.